Hey guys, here is how you use ChatGPT to rewrite your essay in a more simple tone. So this is my prompt. I'm going to tell it to rewrite the below essay, but try to actually use a much simpler language that is enough to be understood by a high school student, or you can change this to a middle school student. If you want it really simple, you can say something like a kindergartner, and then avoid using overcomplicated words, and then add a colon so it knows when the essay is starting, the data is starting, and then go ahead and start a new line and paste your essay. This is my essay right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and feed this into ChatGPT and see what this comes up with. So let me show you what my text currently is. It does use some, let's say interesting language, but now it becomes much simpler, as you can see right here. Horse racing, horse racing dates back to ancient times. If I come back here to mine, as you can see, horse racing, often described as sports of kings, has captivated the attention. Come on, that is not fun to read, but this is much simpler and easy to read and relaxing, as you can see. And if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and use this in your essay, and you can always go ahead and tweak it to your liking.